discretion is advised.
Come back to the channel, guys. So the breaking news at this point in time is that another police officer has been shot and killed. His name I am still not sure of. That has not been released by the police high command as yet, because they're saying they wanted to get the message to his family and loved ones first. So I've been waiting on the name from about 8 o'clock last night. I think he was killed about 8 p.m. last night, and he was on his way home from work. He's stationed in Chapelton in the parish and was shot and killed in the FRANKFIELD area on his way home. Apparently this is what happened. Have a listen.
Some police on the scene, you know, I go and see what I go on, you know. From what I understand is that, you know, the man them block the road pan. Some Chinese people run some business in the FRANKFIELD area there. So them block the road for the Chinese people them in order to ambush them and rob them. So him that travel behind the Chinese people them, and when him come out of the vehicle to come see what go on, the man them open fire upon him. Saying, but the couple like him man them too much and the fire too much, so I try to get back in the vehicle and all of that for, you know, cause him get off some rounds, but it look like he fire too much. So, you know, I try to get back in the vehicle to see if him could have really get some cover, and the man them shoot through the windscreen and shoot him in the chest. So it look like he won in the chest, and that's a fatality, you know. That's that thing, that's right, you know, John know me have frowns, bad, me. I don't feel good night, I'm telling the truth.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
Everyone, whether you are driving or you are at home, please send around this information. Please be on the lookout for a silver Toyota IS 3675 Hotel 3675 Hotel. This is a silver IS van that was robbed from Chinese national, and the suspect of that incident they deemed to be the suspects who killed our colleague a short while ago. Please send this information now, please.
So based on the information that I have at this moment, it would appear to me that the police are also familiar with the persons or the perpetrator of the crime, as they are saying the persons who shot and killed the police corporal were the persons behind the robbery of some Chinese nationals who operate business in FRANKFIELD, and they have released a notice and are in hot pursuit of these criminals. We'll see what happens as the day progresses, and if there's any development as it relates to this story, I will be sure to bring it. Just want to say condolences to the JCF and also the family of the slain police officer. I wish I knew his name and his age and stuff, but if I get that information, or as soon as I get that information, I may do a follow-up video. So as I said in a previous video, the country is at war. Nobody is safe, nowhere is safe. It's just a lawlessness upon lawlessness. It is spiraling out of control. Well, it has been out of control, but it has gone beyond that in recent times. You understand what I say? And grenade settings, police station shoot up settings, no care of age, class, gender. The man them just cruel. You understand? I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.